In front of me is Oppo Pad Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then click on Google. Now you need to tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that my switcher and all of those options are grey. That means that autofill is off. If you wish to switch it back on, just use the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!